Hey loves, it's me, your girl Catherine, and I am back with another hairstyle video. I'm going to be showing you all real soon how I achieved this beautiful, gorgeous Fulani braids on my hair. If that's like something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. Grab your popcorn, or if you're already in the process of making this hairstyle, grab your tools, and with no further ado, let us dive right in. So I'm going to quickly start by combing out and wetting my already washed hair, and after that I will start patting out. In this bottle, in this spray bottle, I have leave-in conditioner and some water, so yeah, it is very cool for your hair. I'm going to pat out a straight line from ear to ear, and after that I'll go in and put the part I'm not using yet into a bun, then start working with the fronts. I'm going to be doing feeding cornrows in this front part. For that, I'll start by patting out a slant line. Then I'll apply in my shine and jam to make the hair more sleek for braiding. So this is the extension I'll be using for this hairstyle. Nothing special, just the regular extension. Is a pre-stretched one, okay? So I will go in and start cornrowing and feeding in. Just watch the way I'm doing this. I will be feeding in the extension bit by bit. I will explain more in the next one. Just watch how I'm doing this. I'm just feeding in, just putting in extensions bit by bit while I position my hand in cornrow method, or rather while I cornrow, if that makes sense. Just I don't know how to explain this, but I think I will explain more in the next one. Feedin braids are kind of opposite of Ghana weaving. If you're familiar with Ghana weaving, then you will know what I'm talking about. So for feed in, instead of crossing the extension over the cornrow, you will put it beneath the cornrow. That way it won't be showing. That way it will look flat, like no hip, like the whole Ghana weaving system. Oh my god, this my explanation is looking deep already. Just I know you understand what I'm trying to say. I know you understand, but watch more to get me better. Yeah. So this is how I section out my extensions, ranging from smaller strands to bigger strands, okay? So I will start by cornrowing just my hair for like 2 to 3 steps, and then I will add the smallest strands of the extensions you guys saw earlier. For like 1 step of cornrow, I will add another strand of the extension, then cornrow another step and add another strand of the extension. I will keep on doing that till I exhaust the whole extensions I sectioned out earlier, or rather till I feel like I have had enough, or I have cornrowed or feed in enough. And once I get to my limit, I'll go ahead and start braiding out. Easy peasy. Well, not that kind of easy peasy, okay? But whatever. I am done with the feedings. So right now I want to go ahead and start making the bag. But first of all, I will section out a straight line in a horizontal way. Is it vertical? It's horizontal. In a horizontal way, and then cornrow. You will see what we'll be doing with that later. So once I'm done with that, I will go ahead and start, cornrowing downwards. That is in a vertical way, like I am doing now. So now I'm done cornrowing all, and I'm left with one tail, which I will go ahead and tuck in with my crochet pin into one of the cornrows. I almost forgot showing you guys the crochet extension I'll be using for this hairstyle, but thank God I remembered before I finally unboxed it. But anyways, as you can see, I have prepped some of the crochet extensions. I use conditioner and water, to separate them, so it will be easier for me to use since it's a synthetic hair. I highly recommend prepping your synthetic coiling extensions before using. Prep with conditioner and water, so it will be easier for you to access, to section out, So I'll go ahead and start crocheting the extensions onto my cornrow. First, I will insert a pin, my crochet pin, onto the cornrow. Then put the lobe of the extension on the hook of the crochet pin, cover the lobe and pull, then pass the ends of the extension through the lobe of the extension and pull out, and pass it again through the lobe the second time, then pull out. That way it will form a knot, making the extension well secured on the cornrow. I'll continue with this process till the hair is full to my satisfaction. Finally, this is what we'll be doing with the horizontal cornrow I did earlier. I'll go ahead and start crocheting the coily extension onto it bit by bit. This way it will look so cute. It will be in a straight line, and it will cover the waist of the crochet we did. It will look more presentable, more adorable, more nice, more sleek, more chic. Okay. And we are done with the whole crochet. Now it's time to finish up the braiding from the fittings we did earlier. I'll braid and add extensions when need be, and once I get to my desired length, I will add some beads to accessorize, I got these beads from a beauty supply store nearby, and I'll be adding 3 beads to each braid. After putting on the beads to the braid, I'll go ahead and knot the tail and as well secure with a rubber band, but that is totally optional since knotting the braid alone can do the job. It did the job for me.
Ladies and gentlemen, you guys, look at her. See how good this hairstyle looks on me. It complements my skin. Everything blended in so well. Oh my god. God, the creature. Anyways, you guys, this hairstyle is so affordable to achieve. The crochet coiling extension cost me 3,800 naira, and I used just 1 pack, which I got from a beauty supply store nearby. You can get this from Amazon. I'll look for a link and leave in the description box. $10. And if you're in Nigeria, you can even search for it in the market. As for the braiding extension I use for the Fulani braids, I use a leftover one, but you can get a pack of extension which is about 1,600 naira. It will serve you well. So in total, this hair literally costs less than $10, as you can see. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you haven't. Subscribe to the channel, share this video, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.